Hey there, English word lovers. Welcome to WordWave. I am Sara.
And I am Erica, your English teacher.
We have reached the 24th episode in this series.
And the word of the day is bilk.
Bilk. It sounds like silk or milk.
Yes, Sarah, bilk. Bilk is a verb that means to cheat or defraud someone.
Yeah, when someone tricks you out of money or something valuable, they bilk you.
It's also used when someone avoids paying a debt or fulfilling a promise.
Bilk has got one more meaning. It could mean to escape in a skillful or cunning way.
Wow, one word with so many meanings.
Of course, it can be used in many different contexts.
Bilked is the past and past participle of bilk.
And bilking is its continuous or present participle form.
It's always a great idea to learn all the forms of the word as it is helpful to use in different tenses.
I agree with that. Bilk is a single syllable word, and we say it by stressing it. Bilk.
Bilk. All right, let's look at some example sentences to see how bilk is used in different contexts, shall we?
Sure thing. Here's the first one. The scammer tried to bilk people out of their hard-earned money.
I mean, one has to be careful with these online scammers. Here's the next one. She was arrested for bilking elderly homeowners with fake repair services.
Here's the next one. He bilked his friends by convincing them to invest in a fake startup.
Let's look at one more. He tried to bilk the landlord by not paying the rent.
This means he tried to escape without paying the rent.
So, listeners, that's all for today in this episode of WordWave,
where you learn one word at a time to boost your vocabulary and speak English confidently.
We will catch up with you in the next episode of WordWave.
To learn one word at a time.
Until then, happy learning.